Hello, everyone, and welcome to Adaptivites, our live and learn vlogs, where we adapt everyday tasks to make life easier for your loved ones with special needs every second and fourth Tuesday, like texting with friends and folding clothes made easy and actually showering in the shower, and so much more. Today's episode is about how to stop using the whole bottle. Is your loved one in the shower getting clean but using all the body wash? Well, we have two different methods to make this easy for you. Method 1, step 1, let's take a trip to Target. Who doesn't love Target? Method 2, step 2, buy 7 travel container bottles. Step 3, you want to label it with a marker, a permanent marker, of course. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And step 4, simply every evening after their shower in the morning or afternoon, swap out each bottle after each use. You will want to store these bottles under the sink when not in use. And now our second method, which is a little risky. Method 2, step 1. You can buy the 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner all in one big bottle with a pump. Step 2, you want to create a visual aid that says pump 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and post it. Buy the body wash, and your loved one's ready to go, like this. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. And don't forget, you can follow us on Adaptivities 2 on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye.